Hello everyone, my name is Eva May and I'd like to introduce you to the pain trauma alternative treatment by Healing Codes. Before I start this introduction, a few words about me. I am an NLP life coach, LFT life field therapy master coach, a spiritual healer, mindfulness meditation teacher, and a hypnotherapist as well. And I hold 25 years of professional experiences in this field. I'm born in Poland and I'm living in Australia. I'm a founder of this effective alternative treatment, and I used to perform this treatment, and I used to help thousands of people over many years to get rid of pain, chronic pain, and trauma using the healing codes. This modality, pain trauma treatment by healing codes, is based on a science and based on a knowledge how subconscious mind works and how the physical body is able to store in a body cells all this emotional trauma which causes chronic pain. Behind the chronic pain, there is a hidden story behind this. Hidden story which is stored in a subconscious mind. And if we keep to hold this story and not to solve the story of the trauma which caused the chronic pain, the pain is still there. This treatment get rid of the pain, chronic pain, by using the healing codes. This is a fast-track treatment based on the power of the numbers, meanings, and their healing vibration. This modality uses mostly numerical healing codes and vibrations and meaning of the numbers, and it has nothing to do with the numerology. Chronic pain is usually caused by emotional trauma, which has been kept for much too long time in the cellular memory of the body. And this kind of pain is able to be healed to the point of total vanishing by using a soft hypnotic induction powered by invoking out loud numeric codes and meanings created for that and only individual problem. This emotional memory triggers in a subconscious mind the process to generate a numerical code, a program which describes in numbers this emotional pain stored behind. And this numerical code is a kind of a virus imprinted into a healthy body pattern. During the healing session, we are working on to unveil the antivirus, the healing code, which has the power to delete the chronic pain caused by the emotional trauma or stress. So during the session, we are working on to unveil the antivirus, the healing code made by numbers as well, but with the meaning behind this, the healthy meaning, the powerful meaning of the numbers, which is able to heal your pain. This kind of healing codes treatment include 3 components: words, numbers, and the energy. Each code is different, is very individual, and delivered by your higher self during the session as you are in an altered state, and this code is revealed to you and to me and includes an emotional story hidden behind the pain. So the antivirus is delivered by your higher self and is described in the numbers. Those numerical healing code is able to reprogramming your subconscious mind into the healthy state, free of pain and trauma. And you should applying a healing code, invoking it with a powerful healing voice. I'm going to help you during the session using my voice tone, which is really powerful healing voice. And this code is triggering a process of pain trauma releasement. And I'd like to say it again. Your personal healing code, the numbers, it has nothing to do with the numerology. It's generated for you and only for you by the higher self in this specific moment in time, and it could be different after 3 or 7 days of treatment because you are changing during the process, and the state of the pain and trauma is changing into the healthy state, which each day you're going better and better. Your personal healing code is able to reset the traces of trauma out of your emotional body, even the trauma from the past lives. So let's see how this session looks like. You are sitting in my healing room face to face with me, or we are doing online session live, and you are sitting in your own room, in your own chair, wherever you are. You are guided by me during the session into the deeper altered state to get contact with your subconscious mind and with your higher self at the same time. It is possible for you, even if you know nothing about meditation, mindful breathing, or whatever, because I am guiding you. I am a professional practitioner, and I am able to put you in an altered state within a few minutes, using a few deep breaths. Then I ask you, your higher self, to generate the healing code, words, meanings, and numbers, and to invoke them out loud along with me, with a powerful voice, healing voice, because it helps your subconscious mind to absorb those codes deeply. Your physical body responds quickly to those invocations, to the programming, and you can feel a huge relief at the end of the session. I can guarantee. At the end of the process, I ask you to invoke only the numbers, as the numbers are able to trick the ego. The ego doesn't understand the meaning of those numbers. The ego can't sabotage the process of the healing codes described by the numbers. But ego can sabotage the process, leading by the meanings, affirmations, programming made by words. But ego can't understand the meaning of those numbers. So at the end of the process, I ask you to invoke only the numbers related to your hidden story of your trauma, which caused the pain. But those numbers we are applying at the end of the sessions are the antivirus, which is able to delete the traces of the trauma and pain from your emotional body and physical body. So you will be able to get rid of that pain, even chronic pain, very fast, sometimes within one session only. But to keep and establish that healthy state for good, you need to work by yourself with your personal healing code over a few days more, or come back for a few subsequent sessions with me. Okay, so in a few words, this is it. Pain, trauma, releasement by healing codes, by numbers, by the numbers. So if you have questions or you want to book a session, please feel free to contact me on Messenger or email me. My email address is lftcoachingivamay@gmail.com. Please leave a comment under this video. I believe this is very interesting topic to explore and to try this kind of healing and to experience how it works for you. If so many people before you were able to get rid of pain, even chronic pain, by applying the healing codes, especially the healing numbers. So this is possible for you as well. Why not? I wish you the best of the day and feel free to contact me. Bye bye, Eva May.